Welcome to all my viewers. Once again, I have a luxurious home buying opportunity for you. I am here at the project Kamdhenu Crown in Sanpada. If you know a little bit about this location, you already know that this is known as the Billionaires Row. This is an elite neighborhood, so if you're looking for a very luxurious and high-class opportunity for you, this is the right project for you. Earlier, I had told you about all the information of this project, but today I am here with the sample flat video for you. And once again, I am going to give you a very in-depth analysis of this project. How many amenities are there? What all configurations are there? I'm going to talk about everything. But before that, let's talk about the location. Let me give you a little bit insight about that. You know, this location, Sanpada, from this project, your nearest stations, Vashi railway station, that is also close by, and you have a lot of options in lifestyle and essentials. You have your Apollo Hospital, Hiranandani Hospital, all of this is maximum 5 to 7 minutes from this project. And if you're looking for good schools for your children, you have Ryan International School, Don Bosco School, again just 7 to 8 minutes from this project. And to enjoy your weekends very nicely with your family, you also have Seawood's Grand Central Mall, In-Orbit Mall, once again 10 to 15 minutes from your site. So whether you're looking for good schools for your children, good hospital for your elderly population, you will be getting everything. On top of that, you will be living near the Palm Beach Road, and that is in itself the highlight of this project. So I am going to talk about the entire details about this project, the configurations, the amenities, and I will also show you the sample apartment. So without further ado, let's go inside and talk about it. Let's talk about the project now. Spread across 0.8 acres, it will be a standalone tower of 33 floors. As you already understood that this is a high-rise tower, and from here you'll be getting unobstructed views of the sea, the mountain, and of course the Palm Beach too. G+1 floor is dedicated for commercial and retail spaces. Very important point, let me tell you, you have 6 floors dedicated solely for parking, and this is a very important point which customers usually look for when they're getting a home for themselves in a very prime location like this. I know if you're paying such a hefty amount, you want good amenities too. So let me tell you that on the 7th floor, you will be getting world-class amenities because of course it is Kamdhenu. You will be getting infinity swimming pool, you have kids pool, senior citizen area, cabana, sit-out zone, and of course the amenities will be spread across on the 7th floor and on the rooftop too. Here you will be getting the configurations of 2, 3 and 5 BHK spacious apartments. From the 8th floor, residential units are starting, and up till the 23rd, you have 2 and 3 BHK spacious apartments, and above the 24th floor, you will be getting magnificent views from your 5-bed residencies. Now, I know you are waiting to have a look at the sample apartment, you want to see the configurations, you want to understand how your home is going to look like. So, without wasting a minute, let's get inside and see the sample flat. Entering the sample apartment of 3 BHK, and this is your 1483 square feet usable carpet area apartment, and this is going to be your very spacious living room. 13.5 into 20 is the dimension, and with the living room you'll be getting of course a big sized deck. You'll be getting wooden flooring in your balcony and the glass facade, and the view is going to be exactly like this. The view of the Parsik Hill, your Palm Beach Road, everything you can enjoy from your balcony. And the size of your balcony is going to be 7.5 into 22.4. And a very important point in this apartment is that in this apartment and this entire construction, this project, is that you will be getting cross ventilation. You saw the balcony, now see this. This window is going to maintain the cross ventilation and enough sunlight all over the house. You know, this project is a very low density project, around 73 or 74 units are only there. So there is going to be no commotion, amazing amenities, prime location, what more do you want? This is going to be your dining area, 6 to 8 seater dining space, and everything, you know, this entire layout can capacitate every decor item, every essential thing which you need in your house. Let's see your kitchen. The kitchen is going to be very spacious, as you can see for yourself. This is a show apartment, so you won't be getting the modular kitchen, but you will definitely get this beautiful countertop, this ceramic wash basin, and of course a utility area. Wooden flooring in the utility area too, and this has enough space for a big sized washing machine. You can put some pots and decorate it. And all over the house, you'll be getting vitrified flooring of 4 into 6. Now, the important thing is that 4 into 6 gives a very spacious feel, and you know, the dining work is very premium, the fittings is going to be very premium. Now, this is the passageway. As you can see, on my left is going to be your powder room. Have a look at it. It has beautiful finish, and you'll be getting the fittings of Kohler in this powder room and all over the house. This is going to be your first bedroom. Very spacious, 10.2 into 14.1 is the size. Could be your kids' bed. You can also keep a deck bed right here. Your wardrobe space can come on that side. In this space you can decorate it, or you can make a study table for your children right here. Still you will have enough space to walk around in the room. In this room also you will be getting your windows for beautiful sunlight all over the house, and in this room you will be getting attached washroom. Let me tell you important point that this is a 3 BHK, but all over the house you will be getting, all the rooms have attached washroom and plus one powder room. So that's actually 4 washrooms. Your washroom is going to look this spacious, and it will be having beautiful rose gold finish, Kohler fittings. The tiling work is going to be premium. It's of course Kamdhenu, so quality is not going to be compromised upon. We all know that. Just across the first bedroom, you have your second bedroom. It's spacious. It's bigger than the last bedroom, and it has space. You know, you can use this room for your parents, or you can just make it an entertainment room. You have your windows, sliding windows. Your view is going to be this beautiful. Just imagine you will wake up to a view like this. You know, you will be living at a place where everybody wants to live. This is the attached washroom. Once again, beautiful tiling work all over the house, and the finish is going to be just classic. Now let's see the master bedroom. The passageway will lead you towards the master bedroom. It's spacious, 11.2 into 17.9 is the dimension. Windows on right side and windows on left side too. Now this will maintain the cross ventilation, and when you will get up with the view of mountains on one side and beautiful sea on the other side. It has enough space. One thing which I definitely want to point out is that all over the house, in this apartment, in this project, you have 11 feet floor to ceiling height, just for that spacious and majestic feeling. This is your washroom, attached washroom to your master bedroom. Again, the fittings of Kohler, the beautiful tiling work, everything looks very elegant. You know, this apartment, this project in itself is a once in a life opportunity. The developer Kamdhenu, let me tell you, has a legacy of delivering projects ahead of the schedule, and you know, it's known, it's a brand which is known for the qualitative work which it does, and has been working since past so many decades, since 1950s. It has been creating a legacy for itself. A project where you'll be living in a prime location like Sanpada. You're nearest, you will be near to every major location and every essential thing. This project is offering you everything. The only thing left for you is to get a home for yourself here. So let's talk about the price. This apartment, 3 BHK, is priced at 4.99 CR plus taxes plus floor rise. So pick up your phone, and for booking purposes, contact us on the details